one? Let's go. Okay, massage oil. You want about a 10p piece. I can't really say that size piece, but not too much, okay? Distribute it between your hands, okay? Get yourself into position. Feet width length apart. And we're going to start off by distributing our oil. Okay, so across the pectorals, across the deltoid, back up underneath the trapezius, back up to the chin, and then over the chin, over the cheeks, over the forehead, and gently press on the temples. And then we're going to go straight into the massage. So this is movement number 1. So it's effleurage. We do this one 5 times. Okay. That feel nice, eh? Okay, so it's basically down the platysma, across the pectorals, across the deltoids, across the trapezius, back up to the very back of the neck. Let your fingers touch so you can feel to the back of the neck. Slide back up the mandible and back to your starting position. Let it go with the flow, okay? Don't sort of position your hands too much, just go with it. That's 4. And these have to be slow, controlled movements, okay? Right, number 2, we're going to slide down. We're doing thumb kneading this time. So we slide down to the shoulders, or deltoids, turn your thumbs round, or your hands round, and we're going to do thumb kneading into the trapezius muscle. We're going to go in, back out, okay, and then back in again, and that's movement 1. We're going to do that twice, okay? So back out, back in. Remember, the tension should be in your thumbs, not your fingers. And then back out again, so you finish again at the deltoid, okay, each side. Number 3, we're going to turn our hands round, and we're going to do finger rotaries, okay, all the way across in the same way as we did with our thumbs, okay, so right up to C7, which is your cervical 7, okay, and back out. And we're doing that twice. If you want to, you can change that to knuckling in, or you can do that for the second one. The knuckling's quite nice there. If your client's really tense and she does an office job, or she is a gardener, does those sort of jobs where or drives a lot, okay, then the muscles will be tense, okay. So that's number 2, that's number 3. Then we're going to do our vibrations for number 4. So we're going to cup our hands at the base of the neck, and we're going to do our vibrations. So you should have your hands at the back of the neck, you should have your fingertips on the spine, on the cervical vertebrae, and you should be doing vibrations up and down the neck. So work upwards, apply pressure, and apply the pressure to the occipital hollow when you come up to the back of the head, okay? Okay, so 6 of those. Once we've done 6 of those, we're going to slide our hands round, and we're going to do our circular massage to the platysma. Okay, you should also be massaging the sternocleidomastoid at this point. Does this feel nice? Okay. So this one's number 5. Number 6, we're going to turn the head slightly, and we're going to apply pressure, nice deep pressure movements to the sternocleidomastoid. Okay, then we're going to slide up onto the neck and turn the head back, and we're going to keep your head central, that's it. And then we're going to do our sorry, I go all relaxed when I do massage. Okay, so nice pressure across above the clavicle to the mandible and the platysma. Okay, I've done it a few too many times there. And then we're going to turn the head slightly over, and we're going to work this side. Nice slow movements, okay? So that's number 6. So that's our third time. It says times 3, okay? It means 1, 2, 3, okay? If your client's particularly tense, you can go a little bit more. Okay, take the head back, and we're going to do our loose knuckles. So loose knuckles like that, okay? And into the platysma and the sternocleidomastoid. These muscles get particularly tense. Okay, so rotate them up and down the neck area. Okay, once we've done number 7, which is the knuckling, we're going to go on to number 8, which is our prayer movement. So you go straight into, keep contact at all times, okay? Slide down and tap back up. So a little bit of tapotement in there as well, okay? So do that 5 times. Is that 3? 4. Nice pressure, nice and slow. Okay. One more to get to my next position, and then we're going to do number 9, which is circling to the mandible. So thumb kneading, okay, across the mandible. So we're working from the chin to the ear. Nice kneading with your thumbs, okay. Back to the chin, and then back across the ear. Okay. So come back to the chin. We're doing that 3 times. So you want to go sort of reverse and repeat. So reverse and repeat. Do it sort of 1, 2, 3 and finish up back at this side. Okay, then we're going to slide across and we're going to do our flick up. So this is number 10. Around the orbicularis oris muscle, which is the one that's around the eye. I shouldn't be questioning you when I'm videoing, should I? Orbicularis oculi, you'll find that is. Okay, so flick ups all the way round, a couple of times, go round. Okay, once we've done that, we are going to do a face sweep. So we're going to go down again. It's nice to go back round where you've been before. Okay, face sweep, we come up, over the chin, over the cheeks, over the forehead, and back down, okay? I'm going to do that twice. Okay, so up. Nice, slow, controlled movements. This gets your client really relaxed. Slight pressure on the temple before moving on to the next move. And we're going to do lifting of the frontalis muscle, or lifting of the eyebrows, because that is in a sense what you're doing, okay? If you find that awkward, you can move in a diagonal fashion, okay? So we do that twice, so we come across twice. And then we slide our hands round and we create a V on the side of the eye. And we use our 3rd and 4th fingers, so those 2, ring finger and the middle finger. And we're going to do circles, okay? So we run the circles around the eyebrow to follow the eyebrow, under the eye, sort of, this is hitting the orbicularis oris, oculi, orbicularis oculi muscle. There's a lot of editing going to go on with this. Okay, we do that 3 times and then we move inwards and we do underneath the eyebrow. This time you can just use your ring finger to do this. Nice slow movements, okay? So 3 outer circles, 3 inner circles, and then you use this hand that you're doing your circles with, you slide it over, create your V on the other side, bring your hand over and repeat on the other hand, the other eye. don't usually smile like this when I'm